Ngöndro has three parts. First, the ordinary or external preliminaries, or common preliminaries. Second, the extraordinary or internal preliminaries or uncommon preliminaries. Third, the swift path of transference. The difference between common and uncommon lies in the following aspects. First, common means the teachings are in common with Sutrayana. Uncommon means the teachings are only in the extraordinary Vajrayana. For example, teachings concerning the precious human life and the impermanence of life can also be found in Sutrayana, whereas teachings concerning the refuge of the inseparable union of the three kayas, the purification practice of Vajrasattva, are exclusively in Vajrayana and are not explicitly covered in Sutrayana. Second, common means the teachings are in common with those in Theravada. Uncommon means the teachings are unique to Mahayana. Teachings of the precious human life, the impermanence of life and more, can be found in the classical Theravada texts, whereas teachings of Mahayana refuge, bodhicitta, and Vajrasattva cannot be found there.